Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I got a Vise at the flea market, and it's made in Japan, and I don't know if that means it's terrible or if it's okay, but it struck my eye and I decided I'd like to fix it up and use it on my workbench loose as a third hand to sort of hold things. You know, this does this, so I don't know if there's a washer or something that is missing in there, but we'll take it apart and we'll see if we can fix it. And I guess that's it. Let's get started. Okay, so this is a little washer or bearing or whatever you want to call it that goes in there, but it was loose before I took it all apart. So what I did was I got this bolt and I put washers just like this there, and notice it's the same inner diameter but too large on the outside. So I put that in here, and then you see that lock washer keeps it relatively centered on this shaft, and I put a couple of them in there, and then I got 3 of these, and I tightened them up with another washer and a bolt, and then I put that in a drill and used a grinder and the belt sander to get them down to the size I wanted. So now, as you can see, they will fit in there. Well, that's it. I'm pretty happy with this. I think it's probably more effort than a little thing like this deserves, but it made me happy. And I will use this. I will set it on the workbench and I will use the heck out of it. So there it is. See you next time.